What is happening in the Nifty right now? This is the major question every trader is asking. Retail traders are heavily long, FIRs are heavily short, and because of this battle, the market is stuck in a cycle. One day up, one day down, no clear trend. Today, I will break down why expiry days are falling and why non-expiry days are rising, and key levels for tomorrow, exact breakdown and breakout level for the tomorrow session, and stock to watch for the tomorrow session for breakout zones. So watch carefully till the end. Okay. So first question is why market is stuck in a range. Okay. For the last 15 trading sessions, Nifty is moving in a pattern. You can see that if you see the daily chart, 1 day chart. Okay. These are the last 15 trading sessions. You can see here from last 3rd, 4th February. Okay. This is the 4th February candle and this is today's candle. 26th February. You can see that market is trading in this range bound session. Okay, where support is near 25,400 and resistance is around 26,000. And this breakout is not happening. Okay, from the last whole February month, market is stuck in this zone only, and breakout is not happening. Big movement is not coming. So everyone is buying in the dip and selling in the resistance. So what can happen next? Okay, we are seeing that the on expiry days market is falling and non-expiry days market is going upside. Almost five expiry session in a February closed negative. We can see that every expiry sessions in the uh, February month, we can see that market closed in the negative. Today was the expiry, market came down today. Okay, and last expiry, we can see that this was the expiry on 19th February, market fallen very heavily. And again, you can see that this was the 13th February expiry, market fallen, and so on. So market falls on expiry days and rises on the non-expiry days. This is happening in the whole February month. Retail traders are holding aggressive long positions. FIIs are holding strong short positions. This is creating a compression zone. Okay, FIIs are selling and retail traders are buying. Market is not trending. It is rotating inside a range. This is what we call a controlled market. So market is in the controlled range. Next is guys, let's understand the today's price action. What happened in the today's market? So we can see that in the morning session, sideways till 11 a.m. Okay, this was the morning session, and market was sideways. This is the opening candle, and till 11:25, market was trading in this sideways zone. Okay, around 11 a.m. we have seen that this zone breakout and market came down to 25,400. So this zone given the breakdown here and market came down at 25,400 level. From 25,400 we have seen again that market was taking support and it reversed from here and it gone till 25,520. Okay, so this means that this is the very strong buying zone. Whenever comes market comes near this zone, it reverses from here. Okay, next is guys Nifty key levels for tomorrow. What can happen in the tomorrow key levels? So support is clearly at 25,400. We can see that this strong support zone is not been broken since the whole February month, and this is the strong buying zone from here. And the immediate resistance currently, because the support zone is not changing, but the resistance zone is changing every day. So what is the resistance zone? Next resistance zone. So today's resistance zone is near 25,500. Okay, 25,500 is the resistance zone, and major gap resistance is 25,700 to 750. So major resistance is around 700 to 750 zone, which is here. You can see that this is the major resistance zone where market can reverse from the that level. So this we will mark this is this zone as a major resistance zone. Okay, this is the 700 to 750 zone. Okay, currently market is closing near 25,500. So what can happen if market tomorrow opens near 25,700 in a gap up opening? Okay, if market opens gap up near 25,700 here, above 650 or 700, then what can happen? Then risk reward becomes weak, bearish rejection possible. If market reverses from here, then you can take put option with the stop loss, and market will come down to 650, 550, and so on. Okay. Next is guys, if market gap down near, if market is at 25,500 and if gap downs near 25,400, then what can happen? Then you can see if market reverses from here again above candle closes above this level, then we can take call options and keep your small stop losses here below the 25 350. Okay. Next is guys bank nifty structure. Bank nifty is completely sideways. We can see that the bank nifty is not like uh, nifty or sensex. It is in the complete sideways zone. We can see here. Yesterday this was the resistance. Okay, this was the resistance zone. Today also this is the resistance zone again. Okay, this is the 25 February chart. Here the resistance is here. Today also here the resistance. And you can see the support is also the same. So Bank Nifty is more sideways than Nifty and Sensex. Okay. Here is the support 6870. Here is also it taken support on 25th February, on 24th February, and today also. It came exactly at this level and reversed again. So this is happening. What is this? This is what happening in Bank Nifty. You can see clearly. This is a controlled market, controlled range bound market. So what can happen in the Bank Nifty and what will be the key levels for tomorrow session? So first is support is near 60, 68, 60 and 900. Okay, 68, 60 is the support level and resistance is near 61, 300. Okay, so this is the resistance zone. This is the resistance zone. This is the support zone. If the market opens above, gap up above this 61 300 level and gives breakout and closing, then you can buy call option and it will go 61 400, 500 and 600 and so on. If market breakdowns below 68 60 level, then it can go 60 70 60,000 70 60,500 and so on. Okay, until breakout not happens. Okay, until the breakout or gap up or gap down not happens, if market opens normally, okay, then wait for price to come at this level, and if you see the reversal slowly, then you can try to buy call option here with the stop loss here, and you will take good profit in the upside zone. If market slowly goes, if market opens flat and it slowly goes here, then when it comes to this level and start to reverse from here, you will see the reversal candles, red candles here, then you will take put option and keep the stop loss here. Okay, so if market opens very huge gap up and gap down, then only these level will break out. Otherwise, if market opens flat or normal, then it will mean that you will wait for the price to go to resistance or support, and from there you will see the reversal. Okay, so this will be the strategy for tomorrow in the bank nifty. After this, guys, let's talk about the stock to watch for tomorrow session, which can give breakout or breakdown in the tomorrow session. So first stock is CDSL. You can see that this stock is clearly in the downtrend. This was yesterday at this level 1327 and now it is falling very sharply here, and today it closed around 1291 level. Okay, here. So what could be the tomorrow movement for this stock? So I have identified that if this stock will break this 1284 level, below this level, then you can try to short, try to sell in the intraday trading sessions. So it will then achieve 1275, 1265, and so on. Okay, so keep an eye on this level tomorrow. If it goes below this level, then you can short here in the intraday trading sessions. Next is guys Apollo Hospital, and Apollo Hospital was opened flat today, and it gone a little bit up and then came down straight, and then it taken support from this zone, and today closed around 7794 here. Okay, so what can happen tomorrow in this stock? So if this stock goes, if this stock goes above 1730 level, okay, this is a crucial zone for this stock. If this stock goes above this level, then you can try to buy in the intraday trading. And next stock is guys JSW Steel. Okay, it is currently closing at resistance zone here 1281, and its support is around 1272 level. Okay, so what can happen in this stock tomorrow? So this stock is clearly in the range bound session. You can see here it taken resistance from this zone and fallen to this support zone. Then again it taken resistance. Then again today it taken resistance. So if this stocks breaks out above 1285, okay, if this stock breaks out about 1285, then it can go much higher. So keep an eye on this level tomorrow. If this stock goes above this level, then your target will be 1290, 1300, and so on. So keep an eye on this stock. Next stock is, guys, Bharat Heavy Electricals, BHEL. This stock is at 264 level, closing around 264 level here. So, and this is the resistance zone also. It fallen many times from this zone, and this is the support zone here for this stock 260 level. So what can happen in this stock tomorrow? Okay, this is, we can see clearly this is the resistance zone, and if tomorrow this stock breaks out above 266, okay, to 265 to 66 level, it breaks out above this level, then you can try to buy this stock in the intraday for the 1 to 2% movement, which means 1% is 2 points, okay, and 2% is 4 points. So keep an eye on this level for this stock. Next is, guide, Adani Ports. Adani Ports is clearly this trend line is forming here. You can see that. And if this stock goes above 1555 level, okay, then you can try to buy this stock. This is clearly in the positive trend, and if this stock breaks out about 1555, then it can go 1565, 1575, and so on. So keep an eye on this level for this stock. Next stock is Cummins. Cummins is at the resistance zone here. You can see that this is the resistance zone here. It is taking resistance from this zone many times. You can see here, and it is now is this triangle pattern. Okay, so if this stock breaks out above 5000 level, okay, 5000 is the key level for this stock to give breakout. So if this stock gives breakout above 5000, then only we can think about going buy side in the intraday for the breakout. Okay, so keep an eye on this stock for above this level. Muthoot Finance is the next stock, guys. You can see here Muthoot Finance fallen very heavily today. It opened near this level and then fallen heavily, and it took support at 3400 here, and today closed at 3429 here. Okay, so what could be the next level for this stock? So if it goes below 3400 tomorrow, then only we can see fall in this stock. Okay, so keep an eye on this stock. If this goes below this 3400 level, then it can give breakdown here, and it can go 13 30 90, 13 33 90, 33 80, and so on. So keep an eye on this stock below this level. If this level breaks, then it can fall again. Okay, so if we try to give conclusion here, guys, then final view is, first point is market is not trending. Okay, it is rotating inside support and resistance levels, Nifty and Bank Nifty. I explained in the start of the video. And retails are long, FIIs are short. This tug of war will continue until a strong breakout happens. Tomorrow is not expiry. So upside probability is slightly higher if 500 breaks. Okay, which means if market goes above 25,500, then it can show upside movement. Okay, because tomorrow is not expiring, so we can expect positive movement, because we are seeing in the whole month of February that on the expiry days market fall, but non-expiry days market goes up. So let's see what can happen tomorrow. And uh, trade only after confirmation. Okay, no guessing, only price action. Don't trade without confirmation, without restrict stop loss. So keep this in your mind. And you can comment below, will Nifty break 25,500 tomorrow or reject again? It will take resistance from here, and or it will give breakout. And if you found this analysis useful, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your trading friends. See you in the next session, guys. Thank you so much.